really contemplated on posting the video because I just don't know, I wasn't really sure. But recently I've had so many questions about this hair, and so I decided to disclose the identity of this hair. So let's get into it. This is a kinky curly bundle that I got off of Instagram. I got the hair separately from the frontal, and the frontal is the most important part for me. This is a Swiss lace frontal. You can see that it's already pre-plucked. The lace is really transparent. The hair bundle and the frontal I am using is not wet curls, they're just normal curls. You need to really maintain them if you want to wear this type of hair. I went for this hair personally because it stays big on your head. No matter how you try, it just stays bouncy and full and voluminous, and I really wanted to go for that look. That is why I chose this hair. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to start sewing that hair down into my dummy. I'm really securing it down with these pins to help me to see the tracks of the hair and all of that. If you want to see how I sew down my frontal to my cap, make sure to check out my previous videos. I already uploaded a frontal sewing and installation, so you can check the description box and you can check the information above to see the video I'm talking about. After sewing down the first side, I'm gonna move on to the next, but I'm going to quickly do that off camera because I don't want to waste your time. After sewing that down, I'm gonna move on to the next thing, which is taking one track of my hair bundle, and I'm going to sew that around my cap perimeter. I'm doing this so that I would be able to pack my hair up because it's gonna be a lot of hair, but at the end I want to be able to pack it up when there is heat, or when I'm in haste, or when I just need to get out of the house and I want my hair to be in place. I love to pack my hair up. I'm going to move ahead to mark my cap so that I would be able to follow the lines and just sew my tracks easily. If you don't know how to do this measurement, also you need to watch my video on how to sew down your cap. And you can see the way I have lined up my hair on the bed. I'm just going to follow from line by line, and I'm going to sew down those tracks one after the other, starting from the back. And from the back, because I really want this hair to have a lot of volume, I'm using 2 tracks or 2 lines, if you will. So yeah, I'm just going to follow line by line until the end. To sew down my hair, I'm using the T-pin just to hold down the tracks, so it is really easier for me to manage. And once I got to the middle part of the line, I switched from using 2 tracks to just 1 track to really get that look that I'm going for, because I want the fullness to fall to my shoulders and not give me like that round face afro. I want it to give me like a baddie look. And that is exactly what I went for, and this is our finished look for the hair. The frontal like magically blends well with the hair bundle, even though they were not the same thing. And this is what the hair looks like on me after installing it. I'm showing you in different makeup because I have worn this hair couple of times, and this is exactly how I wanted it to fall. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. The video on how I installed the frontal is going to be the next video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification. That will be all for today's video. Today's video is actually very short. It is the shortest video I've ever made. So yeah, I can't believe you're still here listening to this dark bitch voice. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.